In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enhance your writing with Grammarly's Synonym and rewrite suggestion features. These tools are invaluable for refining word choice and improving sentence style. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be equipped with practical tips to elevate your writing to a whole new level. Let's begin with how to use synonyms in Grammarly. First, open the Grammarly editor or your browser with the Grammarly extension enabled and draft your text as you usually would. As you write, you might come across a word that feels overused or doesn't quite capture the essence you intended. Here's where the synonym feature shines. Simply double-click on the word that you're not quite satisfied with. This action will bring up a list of suggested synonyms tailored to fit different contexts. When reviewing the synonyms, consider three key aspects. Does the synonym capture the meaning you wish to convey? Does it match the tone and formality required by your document? And does it read naturally within the sentence? Once you've found the right fit, click on the synonym to replace the original word. It's always a good idea to read through the sentence again, just to ensure that it still makes sense and maintains the flow of your text. This is a simple but powerful step, so don't hesitate to repeat it throughout your document whenever you notice areas that could use a stronger or more varied vocabulary. Next, let's explore the rewrite suggestions, often referred to as paraphrasing, within Grammarly. Start by selecting the sentence or paragraph you'd like to modify. You'll find options for this either on the sidebar or by clicking on the paraphraser or rewrite icon. Grammarly offers several rewrite styles such as humanize, academic, professional, streamlined, creative, and simple. Depending on the context of your writing, pick the most appropriate style to rewrite your passage. Upon selecting a rewrite style, Grammarly will provide you with one or more suggestions. Carefully review these suggestions, considering whether they preserve the original meaning of your text. Also, check if the tone or level of formality aligns with your intentions. Pay attention to the phrasing. Does it resonate with you, and are there any subtle implications or nuances that have been altered? Once satisfied, accept the suggested rewrite. Of course, if it doesn't quite hit the mark, feel free to make your adjustments manually or dismiss the suggestion. After incorporating a suggestion, be sure to revisit the surrounding text to ensure it's smoothly integrated without any awkward transitions or unexpected shifts. And there you have it. By using these features wisely, Grammarly helps you streamline your editing process, enhance your word choice, and ensure your writing is robust and polished.